Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down the essential plumbing fixtures in your home from bathroom to kitchen and even outdoors. Most of us take these for granted, but they're the backbone of modern living. Turn a handle, get clean water, push a button, waste disappears. It's not magic, it's smart engineering. Knowing how these fixtures work isn't just for plumbers. It helps you spot problems before they become disasters. So let's walk through your house and reveal what's behind your walls and under your floors. We'll show you what they are, what they do, and why they matter. By the end, you'll see your toilet, sink, and even that outdoor tap in a whole new light. Let's get started. Plumbing fixtures are the devices you interact with: sinks, toilets, taps, showers, the visible endpoints of your home's water system. They deliver clean water and remove wastewater, acting as the gatekeepers between you and the hidden network of pipes. Their design keeps clean and dirty water separate and blocks unpleasant odors from entering your home. The toilet, king of the bathroom. It uses a clever system of levers and valves to flush waste away with a surge of water. Newer models use less water but more force, making them efficient and reliable. It's a simple, brilliant piece of technology we depend on every day. The shower's mixer valve blends hot and cold water to your perfect temperature, while a diverter sends water to the shower head or tub. The bathtub's overflow drain prevents flooding by giving excess water an escape route. Simple features, but essential for safety and comfort. The bathroom sink comes in many styles, but all have a P-trap, a U-shaped pipe that holds water to block sewer gases. It's a small detail that keeps your bathroom fresh. Every time you wash up, that little bend is working for you. Bidets and hand showers are all about hygiene, using water instead of paper. Modern versions include built-in bidet seats or handheld sprayers, offering a practical, space-saving solution. They're becoming a smart addition to today's bathrooms. The kitchen sink is built for heavy use, deep, wide, and often with two bowls for efficiency. Modern faucets feature high spouts and pull-out sprayers for versatility. And yes, there's a P-trap underneath, keeping kitchen odors at bay. That small tap next to your kitchen faucet? It's for purified drinking water connected to an under-sink filtration system. It filters only the water you drink or cook with, saving filter life. A simple upgrade for healthier water at home. The dishwasher is plumbed right into your kitchen's water and drain lines. Its drain hose loops up high to prevent dirty water from siphoning back in, a small but crucial detail for clean dishes. It's a seamless part of your kitchen's plumbing system. The laundry or utility sink is all about function, deep, tough, and ready for messy jobs. It handles everything from soaking clothes to cleaning paintbrushes. It's the workhorse that saves your nicer sinks from the dirtiest chores. Outdoor taps, or hose bibs, provide water for gardening, washing cars, and more. In cold climates, frost-proof models prevent pipes from freezing and bursting. A simple design that protects your home from costly winter damage. Floor drains are your first defense against flooding in basements, laundry rooms, and garages. They have traps to block sewer gases, but remember to pour water down them occasionally to keep the seal intact. Quiet heroes, ready for emergencies. Traps hold water to block odors, while vents let air into the pipes so water drains smoothly. Without vents, drains would gurgle and traps could empty, letting smells in. Together they keep your plumbing system running clean and quiet. The water heater is the heart of your hot water supply, heating water for every tap and appliance. Tank models store hot water, tankless models heat it on demand. Either way, it's essential for comfort in your home. That's your crash course in plumbing fixtures. From toilets to taps, you now know what keeps your home's water flowing safely and efficiently. Understanding these basics helps you spot issues early and talk to pros with confidence. So next time you use a sink or flush a toilet, remember the engineering behind it. Appreciate these features. They make modern life possible. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more home tips. Drop a comment with your plumbing questions or topics you want us to cover. Until next time, stay curious.